Hello everyone and welcome to Inspired Foodies. Today we're on vlogging adventure number 2. Today's destination is the Liberty State Park. How far is this park again?
About 4.5 miles.
So that's like a 20-minute drive? No, 15.
14 to 20 because there's a bunch of red lights in between. Yeah, about 20 minutes.
Because we're going locally. So we're headed to the 7-Eleven over there. I'm gonna get some snacks because we're gonna do a little picnic at Liberty State Park. And after we get some snacks, we're gonna head over there. We're gonna show you the scenic view, and we're just gonna lay our picnic blanket on the grass and just enjoy the evening. Right, so we just made it to Liberty State Park. We're like right outside. We're gonna go look for some parking, and then we're gonna find a nice place to sit and relax, and then or we'll probably just walk around first and show you the scenic views, because you can see a bunch of people picnicking already on our left hand side over there. But this is a very huge park, so we have to figure out where we want to hang out. Arrived at our destination. This is the parking lot area where we're gonna go find some parking. But as you can see already in front of us, it's water, all water. So this is Liberty State Park, where we're gonna do our picnic. We're gonna park somewhere and then we're gonna go straight ahead over the entrance where I just pointed, where the flags are up there. So you can see some people kayaking right there in front of us on the water. Oh, it's super packed though, look at it. Is this where they shot that for that movie Avara Pagal Deewana? They did the little Hummer scene here.
Yes, right in front of those flags. And you can see the New York on the other side of behind the flags. That's all New York City.
It's a little bit hard to. There we go. I captured it.
It's a little damp but beautiful day.
My glasses are fogging up. I can't see. So you can see New York so over there. This is all the flags. So last time, are the benches full over there?
We can go near the bench.
No, I want to go on the grass. Because if we have a picnic basket, why don't we go to the grass? Right?
Yeah, that's
If you go on the benches, you're gonna feel very cold.
yeah.
Last time we were freezing.
No, but we should go near the water.
I had to shawl with you because I was freezing.
When did we came? It was like
Not November.
October?
I think so. Like, was it before or after we came back from Thailand?
Oh, then it was not. Like 2 days before we was going to Thailand.
Okay.
We left October 26th.
So
October 25th.
so it was in October.
Yeah.
Look how foggy it is in New York.
It's very nice.
So it means it's gonna rain this, right?
So this is gonna be passing shower tonight.
So we came on a lovely day. It's breezy. It's not too hot, but it's still. See, it's clear on that cloud. Yeah, there you go.
It's better than before. I remember Friday night was just feeling chill.
Oh yeah. One day we need to walk across that
We
bridge.
can walk today.
Oh, it's a very long walk. I'm looking at it right now. It's so long.
Couple of thousand calories a day.
Yeah, I don't have that much energy. Look, people are sailing today. It's hard to. All the sailboats.
Look at the New York Harbor ships.
There's the Staten Island Ferry.
Staten Island Ferry.
Let me get that orange.
And look at the Lady Liberty.
As you can see, guys, the Statue of Liberty. We're looking at it from the side.
Look at the kites.
People are flying kites all this morning. I mean this afternoon. Oh, enough with distance. Actually, not too close to the water because then it's easy to get cold.
So let's sit here.
Okay, let's make sure the grass is clean though, because I don't want to put it on filth. I want to end up putting it on film. That's all. It's clean. It's pretty clean. All right, I'm gonna put the blanket down now. All right, we got our little picnic blanket set up. So, can't see. Sorry. So, New York's over there. There's a bridge. There's like a nice overpass for the water. There's a nice bridge to walk across. I don't know how far that extends, but it definitely goes far because this park is very huge. And then over there's the Statue of Liberty from behind.
Walk near the water a little bit.
All the people are sailing. You can't leave your bag here though, Mom.
I'll hold my bag. Nobody's gonna take that.
No, nobody's gonna take the peek. I know that, but you
I'll
can.
hold my bag. Then we just walk near the bridge.
I can't. Okay.
Then we come and sit down. There's a Arizona bridge. I don't know if you can see in the camera or no. That far.
I mean, it's very faint. It's really hard to see. No, it's very foggy there. See how far it extends? That's why I don't want to walk all that way.
You walk like a little bit.
I will walk a little bit.
Look at the beautiful bank of water.
It is definitely gonna rain tonight.
So it means they're allowed to do fishing here.
Yes. Or do you want to sit down?
No, we're gonna go back over. And to sit down?
No.
I want to go back to your blanket.
It's too foggy. Look at, you can see the.
That's Brooklyn? No, that's Queens. No, that's Brooklyn.
Oh, it's Brooklyn.
Yeah, that's Brooklyn.
Because you said that right there is Arizona behind us.
That's Arizona, that's Brooklyn, that's what do you call it? World Trade Center.
Freedom Tower.
Freedom
Mom.
Tower, no
Oh
World.
God.
Poor guy did not get his fish.
No, he did get something small. No. Oh, that's bait.
That's
Sorry, that's bait.
That walk is long.
And then the family behind us is waiting for the fish to tug. They have like 5 of them? How many? They had 4 or 5? No, I meant the fishing rods. Oh,
Should we go back to the blanket?
sure.
Let's go. Oh, so look, all the
Look at the cute little puppies.
It's a beautiful evening to walk.
It's just because it's breezy.
Good
Oh,
to be
look at the
outside.
kites.
Oh, it's drizzling, right?
Oh, yeah. Yes, it is.
I don't think it's gonna be rain. It's just drizzling.
Didn't you say it was showers?
This is a passing shower.
I wish they had e-scooters for rent here because I think it'd be really fun to ride on an e-scooter versus a bike.
This area?
Yeah, because it's so spacious to like go around. I mean, I know they purposely put city bikes here, but if you think about it, that's a very good day to do kite flying. No, that's perfect because you need some wind for kite flying. Right? When you fly a kite, you want some wind. So look how long they're staying in the sky. All right, back to the picnic time. Snacks.
Come on, child. Sit on the beach blanket.
But this is not a beach. This is a picnic.
Oh, it's a picnic blanket.
We're gonna call it a picnic blanket today. What snacks do we have today?
We have Takis.
Some Takis. These are basically tortilla chips, flavored,
corn nuts.
Spicy flavored tortilla chips. My favorite corn nuts. It was between ranch and jalapeno cheddar, and I was like, let me just get ranch.
And your favorite iced tea drink.
Oh no, I didn't get the half and half. I should have got watermelon.
It's alright.
So this is really good iced tea.
Your mother has her peanuts.
But I meant to get the one that says half lemonade, half iced tea. That was my mistake. So this is really strawberry melon iced tea. Oh well, it's still tasty though. And then we got Five Guys peanuts.
Here, is there 5 Guys peanuts? A bag full of peanuts. Rain stopped already. What time is it?
6:30.
That's all? It's totally to go away from here. It's a beautiful place to sit. Okay, time to much 5 Guys peanuts.
The camera's facing at Lady Liberty for a reason.
Okay. Why? She looks sad.
Because she is the star of the show today.
Oh, okay.
Even though it's a bit crooked, I apologize. So guys, I'm leaving the camera facing Lady Liberty just so that you can see. I mean, she is the star of the show, as I said. So, if you're curious to see what corn nuts look like, basically corn nuts are these corn kernels, and they fry them because these cannot be baked. They're very crunchy to be baked.
Probably fry that.
And these are seasoned in ranch powder, ranch dressing powder. These are my favorite snacks. One of my favorite snacks, without a doubt. So again, this was a mistake, kind of. This is just brisk iced tea, strawberry melon flavored. Very, very fattening to drink.
Where did we pick this one?
The seashell.
Where did we pick this one?
Oh, hold on. We have a seashell. So my mom makes it a habit to, like, when we go to the beach, we always pick up a seashell and we save it. So she kind of forgot she had a seashell.
But I don't remember where did we pick it up.
Most likely when we went to Myrtle Beach.
Yes.
Florida side. We picked it up from Daytona? Not Daytona. What beach was that?
In Myrtle Beach. And
No, in Florida. What beach did we go to in Florida with the beautiful beachfront hotel view? So that hotel in Florida we went to. Remember we had the beachfront balcony view? Because I was being a little bit picky about where I wanted to stay. It was from there. Remember the sand was white? That was not, or was it? Yeah. But that wasn't Miami. Was that Daytona? No. Maybe?
Miami Beach.
No, we went Miami Beach when I went to Florida for studying. Remember? First semester? Studying?
Yeah. We didn't go Myrtle Beach. We went Myrtle Beach way before that.
No. We went to Myrtle Beach.
Mm-hmm.
Then we went to Florida from there. Remember? Because we were so disappointed with Myrtle Beach.
We went up to Daytona, right?
I think that was Daytona Beach.
Yeah, Daytona Beach.
Because the sand was nice and clean.
Daytona Beach.
So that's from Daytona.
This rain stops?
Yeah.
This sort is good. Have my phone, please.
I don't have your phone. Just under your leg. Right there. Under your leg. Under the leg.
Where's my leg?
Mom. I'm keeping that.
No, you're not keeping
I'm keeping that.
It's a daughter day.
I
Behave
let the
yourself,
record show the viewers here. My mom.
I have to point one more thing. Today is a daughter day, so I was trying to have a little good time with my daughter, but no, this child always picks on me.
You're also a daughter.
Ma, you do that. Ma, you do that. So you can see how good, wonderful daughter I have.
You're also a daughter, though. So.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, guys, I'm actually gonna make a video tomorrow. Very exciting. It's gonna be Thai green curry. So be sure to watch that. Keep your eyes peeled for another new video soon.
Is there any other food we can eat? Why we eat the same food all the time?
Because we're vegetarians.
I can have my 25 cents home today. If you want to treat me, daughter day.
I could absolutely treat you to a 25-cent ice cream cone. I need that t-shirt that boy was wearing. It says, "I'm not trying to be smart, it naturally comes."
No.
I'm sorry, it comes naturally. I'm pretty sure that it applies to me too. I'm not trying to be smart. It comes naturally.
Really?
Yeah,
In which way?
that's why I'm in med school. Even though I'm drowning in my debt.
You're drowning me with you.
You decided to be my co-signer. I can't stop you. It's not my fault. I don't make any income.
Very bad child.
Over there, look, Lady Liberty just lit up. So right now, they just lit her up. So I'm walking over to the railings because I want to show you guys the Statue of Liberty a little bit up closer. I know you've seen it far away. It might have looked a bit blurry. So I'm gonna walk up and give you a view up closer. I know this is the back side of it, but it's still pretty nice. Okay guys, so I hope you had fun today with us on our second vlogging adventure of the Liberty State Park, where we got to see the Statue of Liberty over there, and then we also saw a whole side of New York over there where you can see the Freedom Tower is the tallest building over there in Manhattan. So right now we've packed up. We had a nice time today. It was a mini picnic, I like to say, because although we didn't get to have a full meal like we normally do, we just had snacks, and we didn't stay as long as we normally do because it rained and it got dark quick here. But we had a nice time. It was very pleasant today, very breezy, cloudy a bit of a drizzle, nice shower we had. But it didn't ruin the moment for us. It didn't ruin our picnic day. We hope you liked it. And we will continue to do some more vlogging adventures, of course, at other places. This is a place you'll see us vlogging quite often too, besides Hoboken. But for now, the day is over. Night has already come. Once again, these are all the American flags that you see when you enter, and on the left hand side is all the picnic area. Quite a few families are still there though. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more videos coming along the way. Tomorrow I'm gonna be making Thai green curry, so you'll be seeing that video soon as well. Super excited to do it. It's quite delicious. Thanks again.